Hi everyone, welcome to Military One, Chanel, which always presents interesting videos about fighter jets and airplanes. The Tempest was first launched by the UK Ministry of Defence 4 years ago, and at that time, the UK government announced that it would spend £2 billion to develop the aircraft between then and 2025. The aim of the program is to provide a capable, flexible, and affordable by the mid-2030s, delivering military, economic, and industrial benefits to the UK and its international program partners. The Tempest program could be a job creator for the UK. Military programs are big business, so much so that many MPs argue that the military-industrial complex mentality still exists. However, throughout human history, weapons have created jobs, and that is a fact that still holds true today. The more advanced the program, the more jobs it can create. Around 2,500 skilled professionals are currently employed in the Tempest program across the UK, and that number is likely to grow as development progresses. Partners in Team Tempest include BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Leonardo UK, and MDBA UK. The announcement of the FCAS flying demonstrator in the near future will be the starting point for a surge towards creating technology that will make a real difference to UK defence and national security, but it is only one of many similar programs, such as developing next-generation capabilities on the Typhoon or engineering how to pilot practice in the future. The UK Ministry of Defence currently plans to have the Tempest FCAS produced in significant numbers by 2035, which could allow the sixth-generation aircraft to take on the role currently used by the Eurofighter Typhoon.